YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be experimenting to you how VLAN works. We're going to be experimenting how VLAN works. I'll be using Cisco Packet Tracer in this demonstration, and I'll have a switch. I'll have 4 PC on the same switch. Switch is level 3, which is configurable or manageable. So here it is. Here on my packet tracer, I'll come down here and then select switch, and I select 2960 switch. Okay, that's a Cisco switch. And I'll come and select in devices, then I'll select my PC1, PC2, PC3, and PC4. Okay, these are our PCs. Okay, okay, so we're gonna connect these PCs to the switch. I'm gonna use this copper straight through cable. Alright, I'm gonna assign Fast Ethernet 01 switch to this PC. Again, I'll use the same cable. I'll select here. Then again. So I have connected my PCs or computers to the switch. For now, they don't have the IPs. You have not assigned the IPs to the computer, but we've connected them using the Ethernet cable, and we connected them on different ports on the switch. Okay, so we're gonna assign IPs address. Let's first put IP addresses here for each for this computer. 192.168.5. We're gonna use 5.5.5. Alright. Again, here we're gonna put 192.168.5.6. That's the IP will be assigning to that computer. Again, that one 192.168.5.7. So 192.168.5.8. So these are the IPs we're gonna be assigning to this computer. I wanted to put them over here so we can see them. Alright, so we're gonna come over to this PC, click on it, go to desktop, IP configuration, and we're gonna assign this same IP 192.168.5.5. then you press tab on your keyboard, then it generates the subnet mask. We don't care about now the default gateway. Okay, the same to here, desktop, IP configuration 192.168.5.6, tab. Alright, then the same here, 192.168.5.7, tab, generates the subnet mask. Then again here, 192.168.5.8. okay, so right now we're gonna test our PC or our computer if they can communicate. We're gonna first try it from this PC, if we can reach this PC3. Okay, we're gonna click on it again. We're gonna use this command prompt. All right, we're gonna say ping, P-I-N-G 192.168.5, this 5.8. all right, then we press enter. So we are getting replies from this IP. It means this computer is communicating with this computer. Okay, as you can see down here, it says ping statistics. So we've pinged this IP address using this computer. Then we sent 4 packets, we received 4 packets, and we had 0 loss using this IP. So we're gonna come to this IP, this computer 3, and do the same thing. By this time, we're gonna ping another computer. We're gonna ping this one. Okay, ping 192.168.5.6. So as you can see, this means these computers can communicate per now. Okay, these computers can talk to one another per now. All right, now we're gonna put them on different VLANs. We're gonna put this computer on IP address 5.5 and 5.6 on a different VLAN, and then we're gonna put these 5.7 and 5.8 on the same VLAN. Okay, we're gonna put these 2 on the same VLAN, and then these 2 on the same VLAN. Okay, all right, we're gonna name this as VLAN 10. Let's name it VLAN 10. Then we're gonna name this side VLAN 11 to be specific. Okay, so these 2, they're gonna be on the same VLAN, and then these 2, they're gonna be on the same VLAN. Already? So now we're going to our switch. Okay, as you can see, we have Ethernet port. As you can see, we have these links are up 1, 2, 3, and 4 because they are connected on this computer. These one are up because they are connected to this computer. Okay, and the VLAN 1 is a default VLAN for the switch that comes with VLAN. Then there's no IP address for the VLANs. Then, as you can see, from 5 downwards to 24, they are down. That means they're not connected. Okay, all right, so we're gonna configure our switch to accept VLAN. We're gonna go, see, you click on it, and then you come to command line, and you press enter, and you press enable, capital letters, enable, EN, or enable, doesn't matter, enable, also enable. Then you say config T. So we're using the terminal to configure the switch. Okay, so it means enter the command, enter configuration commands 1 per line, end with Ctrl Z. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put switch VLAN 10 is copied on 5.5 and 5.6. we're gonna put them on port 1 and port 2. You're already on port 1, but we're gonna configure it here as well. If we didn't do that before, you can do that, but it's the same. Okay, all right, we're gonna say interface, all right, VLAN 10. First, let's name the VLAN. Okay, then we're gonna apply interface. interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 to 2. So we are assigning port 1 and port 2. If you have more computers on the switch, like say if you have on this side on VLAN 10, you have like 4 computers, you can say VLAN 1, you can say interface range fast Ethernet 0, port 1 to port 4 if you have more than 2 computers. But for now I have 2 computers on this side on VLAN 10. Alright, then you press enter. So when you press enter, you say switch mode, switch port, mode access. Okay, then switch port again, access, VLAN 10. Alright, so we are assigning, or there are 2 types of mode. There's trunk and access. So access is for Ethernet port, which connects to computers and stuff, not router to router. Already, so we are putting the access mode to VLAN 10. Okay, then we say exit. Okay, then we go back to VLAN, we create another VLAN, we say it is 11. Alright, let's see, yeah, VLAN 11. Okay, then interface range fast Ethernet 0, 3 to 4. So we are using port 3 and 4 for these 2 computers, 5 and 8, 7 and 8. Alright, so switch port, mode access, then switch port, access, VLAN 11, exit, then we write to memory, so we save memory. Right, so now we have saved our configuration to the switch. Okay, so now we're gonna go back and see and test out our VLANs and our computer. You remember before we tested this computer to this one and they are communicating, you remember? Now let's see, let's use the same computer. We're going to try this one, then you say command prompt, you remember, and then we're going to, you remember how you see here, down here, you see we pinged this computer 5.8 before, and then we received 4 replies, we sent 4 packets, and then we received 4 replies. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing and see if they can communicate again. You see now it is timing out because of VLAN. Alright, now you can see we sent 4 packets, we received 0 packets, we lost 4 packets. It means this computer 5.5, that one, it can no longer communicate with this one 5.8 because of VLAN. because of VLAN. Now let's try this computer, this one with this one, and then you'll see 5.6. you see, these two computers can communicate one another, 5 and 6 and 5, because they're on the same VLAN 10. Okay, so let's try this one to this one. Or let's try this one. We haven't tried this one. Let's try that one and see if it can communicate with this one. Ping 192.168.5.7. No, don't fire. So you can see it's timing out as well because they're on a different VLAN. However, if I ping 5.8, then there will be a reprise from this computer because they're on the same VLAN. Let's try out and see 5.8. As you can see, it's getting replies from this one. So in this demonstration, we saw first how computers talk to one another using ping, or how you know that the computers I'm having on my network, they can talk by pinging each computer. However, afterwards we created VLAN 10 and VLAN 11. Then we put two computers on one VLAN and then two computers on another VLAN. Then we try to ping the other computers on a different VLAN to another computer in different VLAN, so they are not able to communicate. However, when we ping two computers on the same VLAN, they are able to talk, or they are able to send replies and then receive replies. That's all I wanted to share with you in this demonstration of VLAN or experimenting VLANs. If you learned something, well and good. If really didn't catch up, just go back, watch the video, stop and try to understand how VLAN work, and then you get something. However, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.